to the second part of my moving out series. So right now I'm in my apartment. I have 8 boxes around me. In this video, I'm gonna be moving in, setting up my apartment. I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour. If you guys didn't watch the last part of this series, definitely check that out first, where I cleaned out my room. It was so much work. I just packed up all these boxes from my room and now I need to unpack them all and put everything in its new place. But I'm really excited. This is like the first part of actually moving in. So all these boxes are filled with stuff. They're so heavy. I have 8 of them right here. So before I start unpacking, I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour. I already filmed it like a few days ago when I was starting to put boxes in here. So I'm gonna insert that right now and then I'm gonna start unpacking all my stuff. I'm gonna give you guys a full empty apartment tour right now. I love this apartment so much. There is nothing in here. Enzo and I did one trip from home here. We took 5 boxes and my 2 Alex 9 drawers, but nothing is unpacked. Okay, so this is the door for walking in, and the first thing I notice is the high ceilings, which is so nice. It makes the room look so much bigger. And then we have the kitchen here on the left. Literally so nice. The kitchen is all in like one line. So I have my fridge, all these cabinets in this dark brown wood color. I have a dishwasher, which is so crazy. I didn't honestly think I would even get a dishwasher. So many drawers to fill. They're all like magnetics. They close nicely. I even have my own sink. I'm so excited for all this stuff. My oven here, I still have to set the time. And then I have a microwave as well. I have so much to put in here. I'm so excited. I love the kitchen so much. I love that it's all in this long line. I also didn't tell you guys my apartment is a studio. That's really what I wanted. I was looking only at studios basically. So that's what's on the left side, and now I'll show you guys what's on the right side. So here is my bathroom. I love this bathroom too so much. There's hardwood floors everywhere, but then in the bathroom is tile. And we have the shower right here, which are glass doors. I am so obsessed. And then there's some built-in shelves, which I'm excited to put my stuff in. There's cabinets on the side, and what I love about this sink is there's like a little extra space right here. So I'm probably gonna put a basket filled with some of my bathroom stuff. And then there's this mirror. This mirror is really nice, and it lights up the entire bathroom really good. That is this area. On the side of the bathroom is this door, and in here is my washer and dryer. Oh my God. I thought for sure I would have to go home and do my laundry or go to a laundromat or something like that, but we don't have to do that. Super nice. I'm so excited. So now you walk out here, and this is the main part of the room. This is like a really nice big space. There's a lot of light that comes in. It's super bright in here and the blinds are closed. So I think I'm gonna put my bed right here. 2 bedside tables on either side. And then in this little corner, I'm either gonna have a dining room table with some chairs or a desk. I haven't decided yet. This is where all my stuff is currently. I wanna get a full body mirror. That's another thing from IKEA that I want to get, and I'll put it over here somewhere. But I have so much planning to do for this area. There's just so much space. And again, the floors, oh my God, they're so nice. And then over here, there's 2 doors. This is my walk-in closet. I'm so excited for this. That's my dream, to have a walk-in closet. I mean, you guys remember my closet situation at my house. I'm gonna be set. I am so excited. I'm gonna be hanging clothes, obviously, on the rack right here. I'm gonna put my dirty laundry basket here as well. And then I kinda wanna get some kind of drawer thing. So that's that walk-in closet. And then over here, this door is another closet. So this is a mini one. So out this door is my balcony. I'll show you guys that real quick. So yeah, literally my dream apartment. I am so insanely grateful. All right, so I'm gonna start by just opening up these boxes. Some of them are labeled and some of them aren't. Oh, good. I found my soap. I was looking for my like shampoo, conditioner, that kind of bathroom stuff earlier, and I was like, I don't remember which box I put it in. There are 8 boxes here, and so like literally the other day I was like, I need a pen. like one pen. I have no idea which box it's in. Like, I remember packing it, but I don't know which one I put it in. So I'm glad I'm finding stuff. I have my yoga mat. This is my mirror. I feel like I did a pretty good job in wrapping the fragile stuff. I don't think anything broke, but I guess we'll find out. I have this jacket. I wrapped a bunch of candles. Probably like 10 candles in here. So this backpack, I filled it with bathroom stuff. So I'm gonna put this backpack in my bathroom. This is so exciting. I'm unpacking all my stuff. I keep thinking, like, once I start to have a lot of my stuff in here and I set up like it's my apartment, it's gonna feel so much different. All right, so let's bring this. I'm gonna set this right here. So I brought this cart from home and I was thinking this would be perfect for in my bathroom right next to my shower. So when I'm getting ready in the morning in this mirror, I could just have my cart right here. I can have like my makeup on top. But this isn't like the permanent organization, but this is what I'm gonna leave it as right now. But I'm definitely gonna take advantage of these in the wall shelves. This is my cleaning bottle, and this is my soap, lavender. Sponge. We're gonna go with Clean Breeze. I'll do a dish soap. What pasta do I want for my first night? I'll do this one. And what sauce? We'll do marinara sauce. Coffee cake, of course. For breakfast tomorrow. Yeah, we'll do grocery shopping tomorrow. It's kind of big enough, but also not big enough. I want to just stay in this aisle. I think the fuzzy one's fine. No, these are good. I'm gonna hang this on the shower head. That's perfect. Oh. So I ended up putting my two Alex 9 drawers in this corner, and then in the middle of them, I'm gonna put a desk that I get from IKEA. I just feel like this will be the perfect spot to do my art, to edit videos. I'm gonna be taking out all these hangers. I'm gonna need a lot for my new closet. So I'm just gonna be hanging up hangers. I'm not gonna start on my clothes yet. This is what my closet is looking like so far. I have these pool towels, so I'm just gonna set these in this mini closet, and I'm also gonna put these blankets in here. So I'm just gonna have a little pile in here for now. I'm also gonna start setting up my Alex 9 drawers. I'm just gonna start putting stuff on the top. So on this one, I'm gonna have my crystal tray and this jar that has my incense. I put a lot of stuff from my Alex 9 drawer in this basket, so I'm just gonna sort it. I'm gonna set up this one first, and then I'll set up that one. I love the lighting here so much. So I'm starting to fill up the first drawer. I have a lot of jewelry and then phone cases in the back. Okay, so far my two Alex 9 drawers are coming together. The top of this one looks so cute. I have my crystals, a couple candles, and incense. And I'm filling up the top drawer with jewelry. So I have this little organizer with rings, earrings, and bracelets. And then I have this little ring holder, phone cases in the back, necklaces in the middle. But honestly, it still needs to be more organized. I have like bags of jewelry in here. And then on this Alex 9 drawer, it looks so cute as well. I have this little wooden crate with incense scents, candles. This pitcher is full of a bunch of stuff. I have a candle here, this jar which has bees on it, so cute, and it has all my Glossier products. And then I have 2 dishes in the front that I thrifted. This one has some jewelry and this one has a hair clip. This is where I'm gonna put my desk. So far I just have my mirror on the floor because that's gonna go on my desk. But this whole section is coming along really well. And I think I'm just gonna use this as a dirty laundry basket until I get mine from home. This is what I have in my closet right now. I have these 2 boxes filled with clothes and then my shoes right here. I also have a bunch of hangers and a few towels. And then in this closet, I have blankets, towels, my backpack, a broom, and a mop. I started to put some storage stuff on top on this shelf. And then in my bathroom on this cart, I started to fill it up with a bunch of products and different things. I also got this little shower thing set up, so I'm gonna put all my shower products on here. Shampoo, conditioner, body scrub, body wash, my razor.